Interesting facts about tsunami. Tsunamis have become popular only in recent times, but they have been existing and have caused damages for ages. Tsunami is one of the most dangerous disasters caused by the ocean and can have far-reaching consequences like washing out the entire city, taking years to recover and rebuild human civilization. Here are some simple tsunami tales to enlighten oneself about this havoc-creating disaster. What is a tsunami? A tsunami, from Japanese harbor wave, pronounced tsunami, is a series of waves in a water body caused by the displacement of a large volume of water, generally in an ocean or a large lake. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and other underwater explosions, including detonations, landslides, glacier calvings, meteorite impacts and other disturbances, above or below water, all have the potential to generate a tsunami. Unlike normal ocean waves, which are generated by wind, or tides, which are generated by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, a tsunami is generated by the displacement of water by a large event. Tsunami waves do not resemble normal undersea currents or sea waves because their wavelength is far longer. Rather than appearing as a breaking wave, a tsunami may instead initially resemble a rapidly rising tide. For this reason, it is often referred to as a tidal wave, although this usage is not favored by the scientific community because it might give the false impression of a causal relationship between tides and tsunamis. Tsunamis generally consist of a series of waves, with periods ranging from minutes to hours, arriving in a so-called wave train. Wave heights of tens of meters can be generated by large events. Although the impact of tsunamis is limited to coastal areas, their destructive power can be enormous, and they can affect entire ocean basins. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was among the deadliest natural disasters in human history, with at least 230,000 people killed or missing in 14 countries bordering the Indian Ocean. The ancient Greek historian Thucydides suggested in his 5th century BC history of the Peloponnesian War that tsunamis were related to submarine earthquakes, but the understanding of tsunamis remained slim until the 20th century, although much remains unknown. Major areas of current research include determining why some large earthquakes do not generate tsunamis while other smaller ones do. This ongoing research is designed to help accurately forecast the passage of tsunamis across oceans as well as how tsunami waves interact with shorelines. What happens when it hits land? A tsunami's trough, the low point beneath the wave's crest, often reaches shore first. When it does, it produces a vacuum effect that sucks coastal water seaward and exposes harbor and seafloors. This retreating of seawater is an important warning sign of a tsunami, because the wave's crest and its enormous volume of water typically hit shore 5 minutes or so later. Recognizing this phenomenon can save lives. Some tsunamis do not appear on shore as massive breaking waves but instead resemble a quickly surging tide that inundates coastal areas. Interesting tsunami facts. Fact number 1. An underwater earthquake, a volcano eruption or a landslide mostly causes a tsunami. Fact number 2. Only on very few occasions a tsunami is caused by a giant meteor in the ocean. Fact number 3. Tsunami waves can be as huge as 100 feet. Fact number 4. About 80% of the tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean's Ring of Fire. Fact number 5. Tsunami is a term specific to Japan, which literally means a harbor wave. Tsu equals harbor plus nami equals wave, reflecting Japan's tsunami-prone history. Fact number 6. Tsunami is also commonly known as killer waves. Fact number 7. The first wave of a tsunami is usually not the strongest. Successive waves get bigger and stronger. Fact number 8. Tsunamis have great erosion potential, stripping beaches of sand that may have taken years to accumulate and undermining trees and other coastal vegetation. It is capable of inundating, or flooding, hundreds of meters inland past the typical high water level. Fact number 9. The fast-moving water associated with the inundating tsunami can crush homes and other structures in the coastal area. Tsunamis may reach a maximum vertical height onshore above sea level, often called a run-up height, of tens of meters. Fact number 10. The tsunami that occurred at 0758 local time on the 26th of December 2004, 0058 g.m.t., in the Indian Ocean is known to be the most powerful earthquake that has occurred to date. Fact number 11. The Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004 had an epicenter of 9.0 magnitude, megathrust, on the Richter scale. Fact number 12. The Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004 hit 14 countries from Thailand to Africa, killing around 250,000 people. Fact number 13. Number of people injured in the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was over 500,000, and potential additional deaths from infectious diseases were 150,000. Up to 5 million people lost homes or access to food and water, and 1.5 million have been wounded, displaced or lost families. 1 million people left without the means to make a living. Fact number 14. The majority of people who died in the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami were women and children. Around a third of the dead were children. Fact number 15. The Indian Ocean tsunami that took place in December 2004 was estimated to have energy of 23,000 atom bombs. Fact number 16. During the Indian Ocean tsunami of December 26, 2004, the Jason satellite altimeter happened to be in the right place at the right time. As some satellites only pass over a particular location about once a month, so it's about luck to spot a tsunami since they travel so quickly. Fact number 17. Tsunamis are the most common in Japan, and off late they have been spreading across many other countries. Fact number 18. The length of a tsunami can be as long as 100 kilometers, and the distances of a continually occurring tsunami can be as far as 1 hour. Fact number 19. Scientists believe that in the year 1700, a tsunami of magnitude 9 occurred in the Pacific Ocean in the northwest and caused massive flooding and damage in Japan. Fact number 20. Tsunamis can travel as fast as 5,000 miles per hour without being noticed and can cross the entire ocean in less than a day. Some tsunamis do not appear on shore as massive breaking waves but instead resemble a quickly surging tide that inundates coastal areas. The best defense against any tsunami is early warning that allows people to seek higher ground. The Pacific Tsunami Warning System, a coalition of 26 nations headquartered in Hawaii, maintains a web of seismic equipment and water level gauges to identify tsunamis at sea. Similar systems are proposed to protect coastal areas worldwide. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.